Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video we are going to be solving ICSE Mathematics Class 7 Chapter 20 Congruency of Triangles Exercise 20A Question 9. What does this have to say? It says in this figure TS is parallel to PQ and TS is equal to PQ. Prove that the triangles PQR and STR are congruent. Now you see that this is the figure that is given to us, right? In this figure they have given two things. First is TS is parallel to PQ. Alright, whenever I make these arrows, it means that the lines are parallel, right? So basically it's a sign. And second thing that is given is what, that TS is equal to PQ. That also we can see, because clearly the length given is 5 centimeter here and 5 centimeter for TS as well. So length at both the places is the same. That means these sides are equal. Now we have to prove the congruency of STR, right, and PQR. STR and PQR. Okay, so this is STR and this is PQR. Alright, so we have to prove the congruency of these two triangles. Now we'll use the any one of the things that is given, any one of the rules, right? That first was SSS, and then it was SAS, and then AAS, and then ASA, and then at last we had RHS. So these were the 5 rules that were there in congruency, and we know each of them briefly. Now you see, whenever two lines are parallel, we have studied it in parallel lines, that there will be alternate angles as well. What are alternate angles? I'll give you a recap. If the two lines are said to be parallel, then the line the angle above the transversal and below the transversal will be equal, opposite to each other, or you can say the alternate angles, that is, one is above and the other is below the transverse, or you can say one is to the left of transversal and the other is to the right, whatever. So basically S will be equal to P, right, because of alternate angles, and T will be equal to Q. All of these are angles, right? So first of all we can write it like this, that angle S equals to angle P, and the reason is alternate angles. Alright, they are alternate angles S and P, right? One is to the left and the other is to the right, and then again same reason will be for angle T and angle Q as well, that is, they will be alternate angles, right? Now we have found out these two angles are equal to each other. Now we will prove their congruency. See, if you look at the rules carefully, you can see in these rules that SAS and AAS and then ASA, sorry, not SAS, right, just AAS and ASA, angle side and angle side angle, these are the two rules out of which one rule we will put here. You can see why these two rules only, because you can clearly see that two angles are equal and one side is equal, and now we have to see which side is equal. The side opposite to the two angles is equal, or the side which is between the two angles is equal. So you see that this is the side 5 centimeter 5 centimeters, and it is between the two angles, right? Between these two angles and these two angles it is equal. So remember, between two angles, so angle and then side and then once again angle, that is this angle side angle. Therefore we can say this, that, and one more thing we can mention here, that TS equals to PQ, and this is given, right? Then therefore we can say that triangle STR is congruent to triangle PQR, and what reason will we give here? That will be this angle side angle. Alright, this is the reason. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves and bye bye.